Ads suck, and unfortunately, ads are almost everywhere nowadays. They are on tons of websites, tons of apps, they just seem unavoidable. Now, on your computer, you probably use an ad blocker, but on Android, these seem a lot harder to get. When you search Adblock in the Play Store, all you get are these garbage Adblock browsers, some of which actually contain ads. An app that is meant to block ads contains ads. Without any further ado, let's get right to the point. There is a way to block ads on Android, and it is actually super easy. Here's how. First things first, open Settings, click on Connections, and find More Connection Settings. If you're struggling to find this submenu, feel free to use the search feature of your Settings app to find it. Now, within More Connection Settings, find the option that says Private DNS. If you don't see this option, here's why. Your phone is probably running Android 8 or older, or it may be a select phone running Android 9. In this case, this setting will not be available, but stick around to the end of the video and I'll show you another way to block ads that's just a bit more work. Anyways, now that you've hopefully found the option, click on Custom DNS, choose Custom and change it to dns.adguard.com. Press OK and you've now successfully blocked ads from your Android device. Ads in web pages won't load, pop-up ads in apps won't show up, and you'll also be protected from malware on the internet, thanks to AdGuard's malware blocking feature. Earlier, I mentioned another way to block ads on Android. To do it, download Blockada from the link in the description and set it up. This will use a local VPN on your device, which will use a bit more battery, but at least you can block ads, and you won't have to deal with those annoyances every day. So, thank you for watching this video on how to block ads on Android. It was super short, but if you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. This is Authentic Tech, and I will see you in the next video.